So Cauchy root test में ಒಂದು examples ನೋಡೋಣ. So test the convergence of the series. So ಒಂದು series ಕೊಟ್ಟಣ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ these are the terms ಮೇಲೆ ಪವರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪವರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you should be examples on Cauchy root test. So ಏನು ಪವರ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it should be in the form of either ratio or so rabbit test. ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಪವರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so apply Cauchy root test, right? So first you have to write its nth term. So right, so starts with this term 2 square 1 square 3 cube 3 cube. So I can write like this up. So 2 by 1 raised to 2, I can write like this, minus of 2 by 1, isn't it? Minus 1 plus 3 by 2 raised to 3, minus of 3 by 2 raised to minus 2, plus 4 by 3 raised to 4 minus 4 by 3 raised to minus 3 plus so on, isn't it? So it is 2 3 4 2 3 4 so on. Its nth term is n plus 1 because of use Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Common difference is 1, a value is 2, substitute that nth term is n plus 1. So again 1 2 1 2 3 so on, that equal to its nth term is n, again using this formula. So main numerator 2 3 4 2 3 4 again it is n plus 1. Main power either main 2 again 2 3 4 again it is 2 3 4 it is again n plus 1 1 2 3 again it is n. So 1 2 3 again it is n. So I can write directly it is a series event is equal to, so exactly in the form of this. So summation of, I can write it is directly summation of this or this. So remove the summation, event is equal to, so 2 3 4 like this, it is its nth term is n plus 1 divided by 1 2 3 1 2 3 its nth term is n, isn't it? So raised to again 2 3 4 its nth term is n plus 1 minus 2 3 4 its nth term is n plus 1 divided by, so 1 2 3 it is nth term is n raised to minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 it is minus of n. So this is nth term of un, right? So I can simplify this, so that equal to, so I can write like this, n plus 1 divided by n raised to n, split ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ, n plus 1 divided by n, right, minus of, so I can write dividing n each term, so 1 plus 1 by n raised to minus of n as it is. Now dividing each, so it is exactly the form of 1 plus 1 by n. So again same thing, dividing n each, so it is 1 plus 1 by n power minus of n. Now apply limit. So by using Cauchy root test in shortage ada idukka. So Cauchy root test statement ಏನದ, so limit of n tends to infinity un raised to 1 by n. So this is the Cauchy root test, so that equal to n. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಬರೀ un ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಪವರ್ 1 by n ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು raised to 1 by n ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಪವರ್ 1 by n ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು un raised to 1 by n ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ದೆನ್ I can write like this, so limit of n tends to infinity directly un raising the power 1 by n on both sides, limit of n tends to infinity bracket, so raising the power, so it is 1 plus 1 by n raised to n into 1 plus 1 by n minus of 1 plus 1 by n raised to minus n raising the power 1 by n, so n get cancelled, isn't it? So I will tell minus of 1. Now apply, so limit on both sides, minus 1 ಅದ ಕೆಳ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದು, so 1 divided by it is ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. So limit apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this value, so it is e raised to e value into, so 1 by infinity it is 0 into 1 minus of, So 1 plus 1 by infinity is 0, it is 1. So as it is raised to minus 1 error. So that equal to e minus of 1 raised to minus 1, that equal to 1 divided by e minus 1. So e value is 2.1 something, means it is less than 1. So it means that L is, this is L, right? So therefore L is less than 1. If L is less than 1, that series is by using ratio Cauchy-Rooter test. By using Cauchy-Rooter test, this series is convergent. Hence, this series is convergent. Thank you.